Hello students, today we are going to execute your addition of 16-bit numbers. In the previous class we have seen addition of 16-bit numbers program, writing of addition of 16-bit number program. Now today class we will be dealing with addition of 16-bit number execution. After execution only you will get confirmation that whether your program, whatever program you have written, it is correct or not, because without execution you cannot give the guarantee that okay my program is correct bolke. You have to execute your program and you have to see it, then only you will get a confirmation. That's why in your third unit it is totally dealing with like program. So while it is executing in the program, compulsory obviously we have to write the program, then we have to execute the program. It is compulsory for us. So now today in today's class, we will be executing the program of addition of 16-bit numbers. Before executing, once again I want to remind you that what type of program we have written. We have written the addition of two 16-bit numbers by taking first memory location one number, second memory location one number. After that we have added 16-bit data, okay, but from the two memory locations. Then what we have done, after that we have stored the result in the memory location itself. Then before that we taught that it may come or it may not come, means like carry will come or carry will not come. So for that purpose what we will do, we have kept one register. That register is nothing but C register. C register will store the result. C register. So what we have done, we have sent the carry from C register to A register. Why we have sent to A register, that also you should remember, because only accumulator can interact or it can store the result directly from the itself to memory location, because any other register cannot store the data directly to the memory locations. That you have to keep in your mind. Then finally storing the carry also we have set one memory location. So totally how many memory locations we have used in this program? We have used 7 memory location programs. That is 2 for first number, 2 for second number, then for result 2. So how many it is, like 16-bit numbers we have added and we have kept at side. After that we have kept one memory location purely for our carry. Then we have to see the result of this program, whether it is executing or not. If it is having any problem, like it may not execute. So we have to get the guarantee by executing the program. So that's why I am giving you the detailed information of writing the program, then how to execute the program, then only you will understand the concept. If simply I will make you write, you cannot understand the program concept. So you have to see it on the microprocessor kit, 8085 microprocessor kit. You have to see the program how it is running, then only you will get the idea. So in a running position you will keep one data in 8850 LSB, 8851 first number MSB. Then next you will be keeping next data in 8852, then 8853 LSB MSB. Then after that you will add the result from 5052 LSBs, 5153 MSBs. Then result of LSB will be 8854 and 8855 will be MSB result. Then after adding, finally result will be stored on the particular locations. Then carry will have one separate location. That separate location is like 8860. on that we will store carry. Finally, after storing we will check for the program. Now we will check for the program whether it is taking the data on 8850, 51, 52, 53 input data. Output data is 8854, 8855. Then result is on 8860. Carry is on 8860. Okay. So by this we can confirm that whether our addition of 8 bits number 16 bit number is executing or not, and we will get the confirmation finally, as well as our practical is also simultaneously completing, so that whenever you will come to the college, finally you will have the idea of a microprocessor kit also. You can execute the program on it. That's why I am making this video, to make you perfect in the theory also as well as in the practical also. Now we will go for execution of the program of 16 bit numbers. Two 16 bit numbers now we will execute on our kit, that is 8085 microprocessor kit. Just now we have seen the how to write the program. Once again I am showing you this program. You can see first I have loaded in LDA. Okay, LHLD, one data is there in 8850. That data, okay, now that data is exchanged with DE pair. Okay, now next we have loaded with second data. Second data is nothing but where second data is exchanged with the DE pair. Okay, now we have loaded with the second data. See, first data is in 8850, second data is in that first data moved to DE pair. Now second data is in 8852, carry is there in C. Now first data will be added with DE pair. First data is in DE pair and HL pair. Both the data will be added and the result will be in HL pair by DAD instruction. DAD means add to memory location data. Then we have checked for carry. If carry is there, it will increment C. If there is no carry, directly it will come here and it will store the data. That means higher byte, lower byte result will be stored on 54. Higher byte result will be stored on 55 for addition. Then if it is a carry, it will increment the C and it will move that carry from the C register to A register. Why it will move to the A register? Because A register can only interact to the memory location, because we are storing the data, we are storing the result in memory. Obviously we have to store the carry also in memory. So for storing that storing the data from accumulator, in accumulator what is a carry into memory location, then we have to transfer the data directly to the accumulator. Then only we can give to the memory, because directly C register cannot store the carry on memory location. Who can store? Only accumulator. What is the instruction here? Store accumulator data on 8856. So what is last is like written. So what is your operation now? What is your duty? To see the result. Input will you have to give at 8850, 8851, first number LSB, second number LSB. These both will be added and the result will be something here. And after that, first number MSB will be on 51 and second number MSB means most significant bit will be on 53. After adding, result will be at 55. Okay, then finally the carry will be on which position? Carry will be on 8856. So we have to load the data on 8850, 8851, 8852, 8853, and we have to see the result where 8854, 8855, 8856 will be your result. Okay, clear? Now we are going to execute the program. Okay, for executing the program, you have to see this microprocessor kit. Okay, this is your microprocessor kit. First you have to on this. Okay, as soon as you are owning it, it is becoming what? Okay, when you are owning it, what it will become now? Okay, when you are owning it, it will be like UPS 588. You have to press reset. Reset means it will be giving that. Now we have to enter the program. For entering the program, you have to press examine memory. Okay, from which location you will start the program now? From 8000 memory location you have to enter 8000. Okay, 8000 is your memory location. Enter that 8000 here. Okay, 8000. On 8000, what is the machine code here? On 8000, what is the machine code? 2A, then 50, 88. Like this we have to enter all the machine codes. Okay, so on 8000, machine code is 2A. 2A. Next means automatically it is incrementing to 8001. Next means now 50. Next will be like 88. Okay, next is 88. Next on 3, what is there here? On 3, EB 4 2A 52. Okay, then we will enter on 3, it is EB, E and B. EB. Okay, after BB press next. Next 4 you are getting what? 2A. Next we have to enter what? 52. Okay, next on 6 you should enter 88. Okay, then you press next. On 7 you have to enter what now? On 7 0F. Okay, on 7 you have to enter 0F 00. Okay, 19 D2 0E. So on 7 I am entering what? 0F. Okay, next and I am entering now 00. Next, what is now? Next means 9 means 1 9. I should press 1 9. Next on A, because after 10 it will be like A B C D E F, because it is hexa language. Okay, on A what is that? D2. Okay, next we have to enter OE 0E. Okay, OE now 0E. Next 80. Next after 80 0C. Okay, on D 0C. Next 22. Okay, next after 22 54. Okay, next 88. Okay, then see it has changed to 11 10. Okay, 11 means 79. Okay, 12 means 32. Next 13 means 56. Next, okay, then 88. Next, then EF. Okay, now smoothly we have entered the program. Now what is our task? Now we have to give the data. Data means what? Input places. Okay, input we have to give, then we will get the result. So input, where you have to give input, you have to give in the location. You can see the locations 8850, 8851, 8852, 8853. So what I will do here after giving the program, again I will press reset. Okay, examine memory 8850. I am giving 50. I can give one data on 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay, 50. What I am giving 0, 8850. I am giving 8850 on this. You should go means next you should press. Okay, I am giving 0, 2. This is the LSB of the first number 0, 2. Okay, then next 51 I am giving 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay, 0, 3. This is the MSB of the first number 0, 3, 0, 2. First 16-bit number it is. Next again 0, 2. Next 0, 3. So what is our second 16-bit number also? 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2. After giving that, okay, execute, go. Okay, where it will go? Starting address of the program 8000. Executed. Okay, execute. Then after that press reset. Examine memory 8854. Okay, now once again I will see the program. So now once again we will see the output. Reset, examine memory. What is our output? 8850. What we have given? 02, 03. That means 03 and 02. Okay, 03 and 02 is like our first 16-bit number. That means 03 and 02 is our first 16-bit number. Next will be what our 16-bit number? Again 02, 03. That means 03 and 02 again. So what I should get now? LSB is like 02, 02, like 4. LSB answer will be on what? It should be on 54. And MSB answer should be on what? See here. LSB answer, whatever data you can give, you can. A 54 LSB answer, MSB 55, and carry is there means it will be on, obviously it is on 56. Okay, now we will check for this. Okay, next 54 means LSB answer. Okay, we got 2 plus 2, 4. Next, good. 3 plus 3, we got 6. That means our 16-bit result is now ready. You can see. Okay, 2 plus 2, we got 4. Okay, then 3 plus 3, we got 6. Finally, on this carry is there? No, carry is not there, 0. So any extra 1 carry will come means it will be like 1, but it did not come. So our previously on LSB answer is what? See here, all of you. 50 we have given 2. Next 3. That means 03, 02. 3 is MSB, 2 is LSB, least significant bit. Next 02 again. 2 is like LSB of second number, 16 bit. Next MSB of second number 3. Next after adding we got what? 4. 2 plus 2 we got 4. Next what we got? 6. Okay, 3 plus 3 we got 6. 16-bit addition it is. Now next we got what? Carry is there? No, carry is not there. So it is like 0. Fine. So carry is 0. If you want, you can change the data. Again you can change the data and again you can verify the addition of 16-bit number. So by this we have finished with our next addition of 16-bit number program. Okay, so you have seen the result of this addition of 16-bit number program. Okay, the 6 and 4 and next one is 6. You have seen that is LSB and MSB data is already executed, and we got the 16-bit result from our addition of 16-bit program. Okay, now you got the confirmation that whatever program we have written on for our microprocessor kit, it is correct because we got the confirmation. So we have stored first data on 8850. Okay, first data LSB we have stored on 8850, then first data MSB we have stored on 8851, then second data LSB we have stored on 02, that is nothing but 52. Second data MSB we have stored on 53. Okay, now both will add, that is 50 and 52 data will be added and it will be stored. Next, what is the storing position here? 54 for LSB, and for MSB storing position is what? 55. Next, carry is what? 0. By this you can confirm that addition of 16-bit program is correct and you got the result. Thank you.